Sperm Quality Analyzer.
Microscope and camera. Enlarge the detected sample signal by microscope and then turn the signal into television signal with CCD. The image acquisition can capture, identify, pre-process, store the signal sent by CCD, and furthermore send the mature signal to computer for processing. The analysis software will handle and process the pre-processing signal after being captured. Then the handled parameter will be displayed on the screen and printed by printer. After opening the carton, count the number according to packing list, and then read the user's manual carefully. Standard configuration: computer system 1 set, printer 1 unit, biological microscope 1 unit, accessories: power line 1 set, fuse 3 pieces, packing information 1 set. Take out the main unit and accessories. Connect lines of every part of the machine. Inspect power supply of the apparatus to ensure one of the ends of the power cord be inserted the back panel of the host, marked 220 volt 50 Hz, and the other one connect with special power wiring board within the scope of prescriptive power. Note: do not draw or insert the plug when the machine is power on to protect the main unit from being damaged. When the installation personnel installs the equipment, it should be placed on a clean and ventilated room, dry and clean environment, avoiding together with chemicals and electromagnetic and strong electric field. And the equipment installation location should be convenient for operating. If the host cannot power on, check the fuse. Fuse by 5x20, 3.5A. Cut the connection before check. Then change the fuse with a tool. Refer to the instruction of install. Sperm analysis software instruction. How to put specimen. Put the specimen right under the microscope and adjust the aperture and focal length that make the specimen can be seen clearly. Then collect the pictures. Operation of software. Logging in.
1. Please press enter and the system will enter next step. 2. Click the Report Edit button of Toolbar, then press the button New and input the report in this window. After the work, then press Save button. 3. Click the button of Toolbar, enter Video and Image Process window. Click the submenu item. Show Hide Video under Operation Menu or Tool button. Active the video. Then press the button Catch Image Sequence. Catch the image of moving sperm systematically. If the images need to be saved, press the button Save Sequence on the toolbar. 4. Firstly, press the first frame of the series images frame number bar. Set the first image at focus, dragging it to the left or right to adjust the threshold value with the standard that the sperm heads can be divided clearly, with background and impurities are the least. Then press the button Calculate Track. The track of sperm motion can be drawn by the software automatically. 5. Press the upper button Delete Track. Delete the track you want. 6. Press Save Image button. 7. Press the button Calculate Parameter. The sperm operational parameter of this sequence image will be calculated. After finish calculating the parameters, press the button and save the result. 8. Press Report and Edit Label Item in the Item and Label column of the window. Input complete report items in the left window. Input results and press to save. 9. Press the Print View icon. System will display according to the default template. If it meets the requirement, then you can press Print icon. If you need another template, click Open Template button, then Preview and Print.